Hi, thanks for checking our channel here. This is going to be maybe a repair video on this unit. This is on an old Gallagher BEV3 or BEV3. This unit was made in the mid to late 80s. The later version was called an M800, but this is about a 40-year-old fence charger. The M800 took its place name-wise in like 1990, somewhere in that range. And same guts as the M800, the old style orange one. As this one, just a different sticker, but this one's in really rough shape. The plastic got damaged in shipping, but it's 40-year-old plastic, so it probably got damaged just from being old and just brittle. I don't know where this unit is installed at, but instead of being this nice bright orange here, you can see it's pretty faded, so the UV from the sun has broke this stuff down over time. But we're going to pull this unit apart here and get the cover off the thing and see if we can make any rhyme or reason to this thing. And this cover is shot. I mean, it's holding on by about an inch worth of plastic here. Or maybe it got hit by lightning and blew the thing up. Who knows? There's the other part. I'm going to throw, there's nothing, throw the, keep that piece for a second, because that's the serial number on there. Alright, let's take a peek at it here. It's got a new capacitor in it. Oh, power surge. Man, that blew the hell out of that board. Burnt the trace right off that board, burnt the trace up right there. The fuse holder, there's two of them on here, and this one is blown in half there. Yeah, just burned up pretty bad. Alright, let's see. Capacitor is blown off the board, blew it right in half. That's probably the original board, or it is an older version. They made a newer version that looked quite a bit different than this one. Alright, let me get my bearings here and see what we need to do. I've kind of came up with a little bit of a game plan. What we're going to have to do, since that board, Gallagher no longer makes the board for the M800, not the old style anyways. It was discontinued about, let's see, we're 2024, so it was discontinued about 2-3 years ago. And but we're going to take this board here from another brand, and we're going to wire it up inside of it. But we got to get rid of a lot of this wiring and these terminals right here, because this board won't plug into it. See, this board has these little female spades on here that will slide down on these tabs right there. Well, this doesn't have any of that. It just kind of slides in its case. But I think we can wire it up inside here and make things work. So I'm going to start getting the wires unplugged from everything. The only other option is to, let me do one more check here real quick, because I want to check this secondary side of the transformer real quick, and the primary side. The capacitor's been replaced, so it's probably fine, but we'll check it as well. So the primary should be 0 point something. Yeah, that's good. It should probably be around 11. Well, primary is bad, or secondary is bad, so it needs a transformer too. So this one needs a new board, rewired, another case, new transformer. I might call the customer, see what they want to do. Quite a bit of work done to the thing. May have to look into ordering them a replacement unit. Maybe offer like a trade-in, get some money off the price of a new one, and order a new new fence charger in for them. So, well, if that transformer was fine up here, I would continue on and do the rest of the repair, I think. So that transformer is bad, and Gallagher no longer makes a transformer for this model, so we'd have to take a transformer from another model of theirs, retrofit it, and wire it up inside this, and it would make it work again with the transformer, but we still got to do all this work with this board here, and a lot of labor into that, and parts, and shipping back and forth. So I will make another video, or after the fact, if he says yes, let's go ahead and do it, and we'll splice it into this video, maybe continue on. So we'll see what happens.